Okay, though.
Right? That could have been gnarly. I wasn't anywhere near. What?
With no bumper!
Oh, I see the Lambo. I see the Lambo. I'm getting behind the Lambo. Dude, that thing is so sick.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Oh, I'm right next to him.
Hang him on!
I just downshifted.
Holy shit!
Oh. Oh. Dude, just listen to that thing like idle is crazy. That is absurd. Oh, please stay on the highway as long as possible. I don't want to know, Prius. You asshole. Dude, the Huracan is 100% my favorite Lamborghini. I don't care what anyone says. I don't know. I just, something about the taillights. It looks so good. And it was my favorite car in Need for Speed 2015. So it holds a special place in my heart. That's ridiculous. Dude, that thing is so sick. Dude, I cannot get it out of there. Dude, the flames are insane. Dude, the flames are actually ridiculous. Is he exiting? He might be exiting. That is fucking ridiculous. That is fucking ridiculous. I can't believe a person puts this many miles on it. Like, good on this guy for actually putting miles on his car. I mean, he's got to be filthy rich, so I'm sure he can afford it, but damn. This is actually insane. Because I wonder, like, did he just drop off his bumper for paint or something and now he's just driving home? Or is this, like, his daily driver? I mean, it's hard to imagine a level of wealth that exists to the point where you can daily drive a Huracan and not worry about the maintenance costs on it because it's a drop in the bucket. Oh. One day, I might not own one of those, but I'm definitely going to drive one at some point. I don't know how, but I'm going to figure it out. Because goddamn, those cars are so fucking sweet. Puts a smile on my face every time. And I bet whoever's driving it is experiencing the same thing. It's my exit, Lambo. I'm sorry. Oh. It's so good. Peace out, hombre. It was good while it lasted.